What's up, y'all? Welcome to Bulls, Bears, Bars, and Beats, the world's first hip-hop infused, chart reading, beat flipping YouTube channel where day trading meets rap and real life. I'm your boy Jimmy Hart. I am the artist, lyricist, producer, full-time father, and full-time day trader, and I'm on a mission to entertain, educate, and inspire while chasing profits for a purpose. Understand? Now here, I break down the stock market, day trading, and I'm using original music, freestyles, trading recaps, and real life stories from the trenches of fatherhood, fire music, and finance. So whether you're here to just level up your trading, vibe with some real hip hop, laugh a little bit, just flip charts like mixtapes, you're in the right place. Now, this is my first official YouTube channel, my first official YouTube post, so just bear with me. It won't be perfect, but it'll be worth it. I'm just getting my YouTube toes in. You know what I'm talking about? So today, what I want to touch up on is what I think is one of the most important things you need to know when you begin your journey towards becoming a full-time day trader, a successful full-time day trader, and that's finding a day trading or a trading community. And after all that, we'll get into a little original hip-hop, or what I like to call hustlenomic hip-hop. So hell, let's just get into it. Let's go. Now, look, if you're trying to learn day trading right now, the most important decision you're going to have to make to be successful and determine whether or not you succeed or not, or if you blow your account in 3 months and it disappears, poof, it's the trading community you choose. The trading community you choose to learn from. The trading community you choose to be your support. It's not your strategy, it's not your broker, and it's definitely not your starting capital. It's the community you choose to learn from. Legit. That's it. The wrong one, it'll have you chasing trades, it'll have you chasing alerts, it'll have you overtrading, it'll have you thinking you're going to change your life in one trade, which is not going to happen. I'm sorry. You might make some money, but it's not life-changing money in your first trade. It's not going to happen. But the right one, it'll slow you down, it'll teach you patience, it'll sharpen you, and it'll actually teach you how to be a successful trader. So before you spend $1, or even worse, spend your time. Let's break down what you need to know and what you need to look for in the trading community and why that matters. Number one, transparency. Transparency is extremely important. I mean, no fake wins. You need to see losses. You need to see breakdowns of mistakes. You need to see real-time trades, not just, oh, look what I caught earlier today, look what I caught this week, because anybody can take a screenshot and post it. That's easy. You need to see real-time trades. But showing you losses and showing you mistakes, that's where real traders live. If they're not showing you the ugly side of trading, the losses in trading, then they're not teaching you how to trade. If they're not showing you the ugly side of trading, then they're just selling you a fantasy, fool. Now, number two, education over alerts. I'm going to tell you something that's going to save you a lot of money. If they're giving you buy here, sell here signals, you're not learning how to trade, man. You're learning how to follow. And the second that person disappears, you're done. In the real community, they're teaching you why the trades are happening, what the setup is, what the risk is, and what invalidates the trade. Because your goal isn't to copy trades. Your goal is to learn how to evaluate the trades and be able to do it on your own. Now, number three, risk management is everything. Everything, everything. If they're not consistently talking about risk, you're in the wrong room, bro. You should be hearing things like, what's your stop loss? What's your risk reward? How much of your account is in this trade? Because here's the truth that nobody tells beginners. You can be wrong more than you're right and still make money, but only if you control your risk. Because no risk management equals account blown every time. Number 4, realistic expectations, no Lambo energy. None of that. If the vibe feels like turn 10K into 100K this week, yeah, that's not trading, that's marketing. In a real community, they talk about consistency, discipline, and months or maybe even years of growth, not overnight success. Because trading's not a lottery ticket, man, it's a skill. And if they're not treating trading like a skill, then you're bound to fail. All right, y'all, that brings us to number 5, a real, true community, not just some guru talking. Pay attention to the room itself. If people are sharing ideas and people are helping each other and questions are being answered and not just everyone sitting in silence and hoping to catch a play. Because the best growth comes from discussion, feedback, seeing how other people think. You don't want a classroom where they're just listening. You want a classroom where people are getting involved. And the number 6, experienced mentors, not just flashy traders. Those are my alerts going off right now. Don't mind me. It's a trade. I'm in a trade right now. Like I said, number 6, experienced mentors, not just flashy traders. Big difference. There's a big difference here. A flashy trader, yeah, they can make some money, but that doesn't mean that they're teaching you. You want someone who can break things down simply, who can give you the whys behind everything they're doing, who can guide beginners through the journey and not overcomplicate things. Because if they're not able to teach you, then how are you going to learn? Number 7, real live trading and real-time breakdowns. That's a huge one. Because you want to see the real trades as they happen live. You don't want to just see the entry and the exit, but you want to see the hesitation. You want to see the decision making. You want to see the patience. You want to see everything that's involved in that trade. You want to see the pre-market plans. You want to see the post-market reviews, because those are where the lessons are. That's where you really learn. That's where you really get to see where someone's mind's at. And that's where the difference between emotion and execution. Number 8, clear strategy, not just random trades. If every trade looks different, then that's a problem. Because you want structure, you want defined setups like breakouts, pullbacks, support and resistance plays, something repeatable. Because random trades just end up in random results, and you can't improve anything that has no structure. Period. And now we get to 9. Accountability. I always mess up this word. Accountability and journaling. Let me be real with you. Most traders don't lose money because they don't know what they're doing. They lose it because they don't review themselves. They don't find out where the mistakes are, find out where the strengths are, their weaknesses are. Because a solid community will teach you or push you actually to do those things. It'll push you to review your trades, track your trades, review your mistakes, improve your patterns. Just evaluate yourself, because trading is a mirror. And if you're not looking at yourself, then you're not going to get no better. Period. Number 10, no pressure to overtrade. None. If the room's constantly saying things like, get in now, don't miss this, or here's another one, we got another one, then that's a problem. Because any real trader will tell you that sometimes the best trade is just making no trade at all. Seriously. Because patience is where the money is. A good community will teach you how to be patient, and a good community will teach you to wait, not chase. Now, number 11, probably might not seem that big to you, but once you get into it, you realize it is big. Tools that make sense, not a bunch of overload. Because you don't need 15 indicators, 10 monitors, and a NASA level setup to be a good trader at all. We have traders that literally trade on their phone. Like me, I have 2 or 3 screens. That's because it's easy for me. I even use my phone, so it's 2, 3.5. But you don't need all that. You need clarity. That's what you need. You need clean charts, simple tools, a repeatable process. And nothing that looks confusing. If it looks confusing, then it probably is. Pretty much. You're giving yourself too much to look at, too many options, and It's like when you know too much, you do too little. Do you understand what I'm saying? If it looks confusing, it probably is. You're just giving yourself too much to look at. And confusion leads to hesitation. It really does, and which leads to bad trades. Period. Number 11. Now, this may not seem as big to you as I think it is, but trust me, once you get involved, you know what I mean. It's tools that make sense. You understand? You don't need 15 indicators, 10 monitors, and then that's all like level setup. You know what I'm saying? We have traders that use their phone. Me, yeah, I have like 3 screens and I use my phone sometimes, so 3 1/4. You know, that's what makes me comfortable. But what you do need is clarity. You need clean charts. You need simple tools. You need a repeatable process, something that you can sit down every morning and repeat every day simply and not give you too much confusion or stress. Because if it looks confusing, it probably is. And confusion leads to hesitation, and hesitation just leads to bad trades, period. Bad trades, mistrades, FOMO. It's not good altogether. And then we got number 12. Make sure it fits you. Not me, not the next guy, not this guy, but you. Like, I'm gonna give you an idea of the community that I'm in, but it might not fit you. I'm sure it will, but it might not. So it has to fit you. I mean, this has to be personal to you. So I can't give you what you're looking for, but the community has to match. It has to match your schedule, has to match your personality, your trading style. You know, if you're calm, if you're a patient person, and it's a high speed like scalping environment, then that might not be the room for you. That room just might destroy you. But if you like fast action, and they're doing slow swing trades, and they're doing long-term trades or leaps or something like that, then you might get bored. So it has to fit you, fit your style. Even a great community can be wrong. You know, it can be wrong for you. A great community can be right, but wrong for you. So pay attention to that. If it fits you, then